AI video generation has arrived, bringing with it immense opportunities to capitalize on this innovative technology. In this video, I'll delve into 6 distinct ways you can profit from OpenAI's Sora, allowing you to seize this cutting-edge technology before it becomes mainstream. Let's begin with a brief overview of Sora. Developed by OpenAI, Sora is a groundbreaking AI model capable of producing highly realistic videos up to a minute in length from simple text inputs. It can render videos in various aspect ratios and create content based on text prompts or starting images. Although Sora isn't yet available to the public and is expected to remain closed until further notice, its potential impact on the AI industry is substantial, making it essential to explore potential revenue streams now. Let's dive into the methods. The first method involves selling prompts to businesses. Similar to the success seen with other AI models like DALL-E and Runway, businesses struggle to achieve desired outcomes with AI-generated content. By offering refined prompts tailored to specific use cases, such as product demonstrations or cinematic drone shots, you can provide businesses with valuable content creation solutions. Next, consider lifestyle content generation. With Sora, individuals can immerse themselves in various scenes, eliminating the need for costly and time-consuming travel to exotic locations for video shoots. By creating lifestyle content, you can offer a cost-effective alternative to individuals seeking high-quality videos for personal branding or marketing purposes. Another lucrative opportunity lies in creating educational courses for editors or content creators. As Sora simplifies the video creation process, there's a growing demand for comprehensive courses that teach users how to leverage this technology effectively. By providing step-by-step guidance and curated prompts, you can empower aspiring creators to unlock Sora's full potential. Additionally, consider the potential of Sora in real estate marketing. With its ability to generate captivating house tour videos, Sora presents a valuable tool for realtors looking to showcase properties to potential buyers. By streamlining the video creation process, you can offer real estate professionals a cost-effective solution to enhance their marketing efforts. Marketing agency owners represent another target audience for Sora-related services. By creating courses or offering consulting services, you can help agencies integrate Sora into their marketing strategies, enabling them to produce a wide range of creative content for their clients' campaigns. Lastly, explore the possibilities of AI personas enhanced by Sora. By combining text-based AI personas with Sora-generated videos and voices, you can create highly engaging and personalized experiences for users. Whether it's offering personalized advice or virtual appearances from influencers, the potential applications are vast. While Sora presents exciting opportunities for innovation and profit, it's essential to consider potential challenges and ethical implications. As AI-generated content becomes more prevalent, issues surrounding consent, authenticity, and privacy will require careful consideration. In conclusion, the emergence of AI video generation opens up a wealth of possibilities for entrepreneurs and content creators alike. By staying ahead of the curve and exploring creative ways to leverage Sora, you can position yourself for success in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Subscribe now for more insights on how to profit from cutting-edge technologies like Sora. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.